Magandang umaga.
Magandang umaga.
Maganda ako sa umaga, Sir Bono.
Ma?
Maganda is beautiful. Ako is me. Maganda ako sa umaga. I am beautiful in the morning.
You're also beautiful in the evening.
Yan si Sir Bruno.
Bye-bye to them.
To who?
To them.
My?
Followers.
Bye-bye and
See you soon.
nakon. Bye.
Bye.
May gamot na iniinom si Sir Bruno before breakfast, so napainom ko na siya, and breakfast niya for today is pizza. And mamaya yung ibang gamot, pizza and coffee ang breakfast niya. Yan, and see you again soon. Thank you po, and God bless. Bye po.